Not even trying to attempt to do this professional. The recording. So here we are. And here are the fans I'm talking about. So I removed them from my PC the other day to install new ones. These are just DC fans from Fractal. They are installed in the Fractal Define 7 XL. However, I decided I wanted to have some PWM fans, so these were removed. And I'm going to clean them. Usually you could just take some paper towel and brush them off. But honestly, how long do you want to spend cleaning them? What you also could do is use compressed air. You can buy compressed air, I think, in cans. But we're taking something with some more power. And I think this door is going to close in a minute. It's a bit windy here. So I'll show you around here. Let's make some light. So using this. And I've got this machine there, and their compressor. They are not too expensive, these compressors. So if you really care about a lot of do-it-yourself stuff, do a lot of at home, if you have a garage, get one. They're really not expensive. Okay, I'm going to get this connected, and I'll be back in a second. As you can hear, the beast is connected. And I'll just need to wait until I get some pressure on. Now I can begin. So look at these. Look how clean they are now. Not a single piece of dust. How could this actually happen? Very important information. If you have incense sticks at home, if you smoke or vape, yes. Also, if you vape a lot, these fans can get very filthy very quickly. And also the inside of your case. So make sure to clean them. You don't have to unmount them every time you want to clean them. You can also use compressed air in your PC. Just be careful when you're using compressed air, either out of a can or with something like this. Don't go too close to any electronics. It has very high pressure. It could just, blow off components of your PC. Just be very careful when using compressed air, okay? But that's my favorite way. See you in the next one. Bye.